now talking to two young people from South Burlington.
Burlington.
All right, one from Burlington. What is your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. And your name is Mike Blair? And Mike, you're from South Burlington. Michelle, you're from Burlington. Well, let me start off by saying it's an interesting hairdo.
Thank you.
Lipstick is also very interesting. The color screen will focus in on it. It seems to be a black. Is that right? All right, so let me ask you the obvious question, all right? What does your dress mean? What does it say, or does it mean anything? Or
It's just basically saying to heck with society, to heck with law and order. Well, it's not so much law and order, but
saying to the mayor to heck with law and order?
It's just basically saying that you can do whatever you want to do, and it doesn't matter. I can be punk rock, if you want to say. I don't like the way society's run. Then
You dress radically, right?
yeah.
Can we say that?
Yeah.
That's the first thing.
If you don't dress like everybody else, then you're automatically wrong. There's something wrong with you.
Let's do
Send you but just have so many people over for dinner a night, a week, or you're not socially acceptable. You got to dress a certain way to be socially acceptable, and I don't believe in having to belong to anything to be a person. I can do basically what I want with my appearance, with my attitude, and it doesn't matter.